What we are going to do today is show you how to put together the Brio Deluxe Railway Set. This is all the instructions that they give you. The first time I put it together, I kind of struggled, so I thought we would put it together for you guys. First thing I always start with when putting it together is like the bigger pieces. So this metro station, this one I got back and forth, like backwards, like many times when I first started, but now I've got it. So we are just gonna go and build the first loop.
Let's go.
The right piece. Okay, buddy. I know that is so exciting.
You
But
build it.
we're putting it together. Something feels really off about that.
With the other train. I'll
I
go
think
get
that
it.
this piece is too
I'll go get the train.
long. Here we go. Let's switch it out for one of these. Okay.
That doesn't count.
This one's
That
still
doesn't count. Let's go.
still feels really long. Let's see. I think it's this one. I had to use video and pictures, like colored pictures, when I first put this together. Okay, so now we've got the straight piece.
Oh.
And we've got another curve here. And we've got another straight piece. I don't think that's it. There we go. This one.
Okay.
Come on. Okay. So we've got this straight piece. Now we have the big, this thing.
Dust.
I don't even know what you call that. I'm not good with the whole tree terminology. Okay, so then over here, we've got this piece.
That's a piece.
I get so confused when putting these together. This is why we're doing this, to help people out who maybe get confused like I do.
That's
Okay, let's see. We're still...
You put these ones.
I just have like a whole thing of like pieces down here. I probably should have organized them first. Okay. Step back, please. Okay, then we have short, and then a short going the other way.
Look at this, Mom. Where'd it go? I don't see it go. Bing, bing. It goes right by you, Mom. Goes right by you.
I feel like I'm doing this completely wrong.
Where did it go? I got a lamp. Where's the lamp? Here it is. This one goes.
Let's try this. A longer piece, and then a shorter piece. That feels like it fits. Okay. So that's that first loop. And then these ones are easier coming out of here because they just have like the big roadways. So we can go ahead and set those in.
Thank you.
Just for like a baseline over here. And then the next one, there it is. Okay. The next one is that one. And then we've got one of the curvy things. I believe it's this one. Because it's got to go this way and then this way.
Okay.
And then, oh, hold on. Oh, actually, you're right. That does go there next. Here, so we put a rock under that one. And then a bridge. Oh, no, that was fine where it was. This goes here. Then this one. Then we got to get a rock under here.
Rock right there.
And then we need a curve.
Where?
Oh, 2 curves.
Right there.
So a curve here.
That's a curve.
Then we need another hold up. Actually, we need one of the big ones. These, and then another small curve. Okay, can I have that back, please?
Yeah, thank you. Hold on the damn. Thank you.
There we go. Why am I struggling so much right here?
There you go. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's pull that way. Ugh.
There.
Why is this? Okay.
There you go.
There we go.
There you go, Mom.
All right. So then.
I'm fixing this one, Mom.
We've got 2 curves and then this train station. So we've got curve. We're going to need another mountain. Curve, a curve. Okay, so just 2 curves. So we're going to pull that. Why does this feel so off? I did something completely wrong.
This one.
Okay.
The other one. I don't know how. What's this one gonna go?
Okay, yeah, just put that in there.
Right there.
Okay.
There we go, Mom.
So now we've got our station.
This one good.
The next piece will be a longer straight. Find all my mountains.
There we go. We did it, Mom.
We did it. Okay, longer straight piece. And then we're going to do a small curve. So this one is like, it's kind of intensive over here. Small curve, and then we have our first bridge.
It's from it. There you go.
The bridge has to like go in the middle of these 2.
Look at this
so like
one.
it goes over the big roadway, but it doesn't go over this little one over here. So then we have a long curve. Oh, here we go. Long curve. There's a lot of mountains in this section. We have the long curve. We have another.
We have a mountain, Mom. Look at this
long
mountain.
curve. One more long curve.
I don't see it.
I don't see it either.
Those are hills, Mom.
Okay, let's build out from the other side over here, and then we will come back to that. So this is going to be a short curve, and then this is where we have this 4-piece right here.
Oh.
So we've got connect, connect. Okay, something feels really off.
I don't see one. I don't see
Oh,
one.
you know what? I think I got a long piece here.
Oh.
And that should have been a short one. So this,
There it is.
if this came all the way back like this, there we go, that kind of tightens it up. There we go. Now we have our long curve for over here. Another mountain. Then we've got our long straightaway.
Whoa.
Another mountain.
Another mountain. He's teaching us how to build it. Hi. Hi.
Come over here. Come stand over here so they can see you.
We can see you.
Okay, but again, I'm supposed to have another long curve, but I'm like missing pieces. Okay. Let's look at this thing.
Whoa.
Now seems to fit. And then coming across here, there's one of these long pieces.
Whoa.
Two-way piece? Do we have another two-way piece? Oh, actually, we do.
Good
Another
job.
two-way piece. Like, sorry, when I say two-way, I mean the knobs on the outside. Okay, so we've got that piece.
You're building it, Mom.
We're building it, Bubba.
Building it?
We're getting there.
Building it?
We're just...
Well,
Every time I have to rebuild this, I feel like I'm like suddenly missing pieces.
This can go. I don't set to go.
Can't think.
I don't set to go.
No, I don't think it's that one. I think it's a shorter one. So do a shorter one. Oh, and then we've got our little construction station.
Construction station. That's not a station. Station is.
It's like a little construction thing.
This is a station, Mom.
Okay, then we need our. Oh, then we need this one. I think. Yeah. Oh, yeah, because these then connect.
Look at this.
With a straight piece.
This is hill. You go down.
Okay, hold on. Hold on. Okay, straight piece there. Now we've got this section right here. So this is going to have a little straight piece. And then we've got a curve. Hold on, buddy. Not yet. Step back, please. Okay, a little curve.
Look at
And then we've got
Look at that!
this ramp piece.
So many.
Okay, then it's the bridge. You want to come put the bridge on?
Okay. Wait.
Come over here and put this bridge on here. Right here. Put it down. There you go.
There we go.
All right.
There we go.
So we got that, and then we've
We
got...
did it, Mom. We put the bridge on
We
there.
put the bridge on there.
No, we put the bridge on there, Mom.
Yeah, we did it.
We did it.
Oh,
Yep.
a mountain.
No.
Oh, hold on, buddy. Okay, so we need a long curve and a short curve.
Where's it go? Right there? Oh.
So this one is a short curve, and we're supposed to have a long curve for there.
Chugga, chugga, choo, choo. Chugga, chugga, choo.
I think I know what's off.
Chugga,
Okay.
chugga, choo.
All right, guys, I messed up over here. This piece is supposed to be a small. I'm almost positive. That way, this one goes here.
Yeah.
Now I just like
Yeah.
messed it all up because everything is off centered now. Oh man, come on. Okay,
You-
and then over here, this is a short curve, which takes the whole thing in. There we go. There we go. Okay. Okay. Oh, we connected everything. Did we connect everything?
I don't.
Why do I have an extra piece here? I have no idea. I mean, I do have extra Brio pieces, so maybe that's
Okay.
what's supposed to be
Thank
there.
you, Mom.
But there's a few things. This boat goes with it. And then I believe that truck goes with it. These red ones like drive me a little crazy because like their tops come off so easily.
This train is going, Mom.
Wow. There's this like little station thing.
Yeah, that's a little station thing.
Maybe a bus, train, I'm not really sure. And then this is like one of my favorites. It's like the metro tickets.
That's so
Should put that over there. And then there's that. And yeah, there you have it. Let me give you a closer look.
Thank you. What's that?
Okay. We're giving them a closer look. Okay. And let's look at it from the front.
You fix this, Mama.
All right, and now we are watching our electric train take the track.
Uh-oh. It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall, Mom.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Saved it.
I made it, Mom. Oh, you train made it.
Oh, it took a turn.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, this one's on backwards, I just realized. Amazingly, it somehow made it through. Okay, hold on. So this one I just figured out was on backwards because obviously the train needs to be able to go this way. Needs to be able to go through. So we will revisit that. Okay, a few more add-ons. There's like this little stoplight thing here. So red and green. So that is for like the busways.
Busway?
The busways over there. We have two. I don't know where oh, there's the other one. So there's the other one. We put that over there. And then something else kind of cool. This is magnetic, right? So like you're doing work. And then you pull it up. And then it maneuvers over here like this. And then you can push it. And then you can put it like into the boat. I mean, it's not flawless, but into the boat. Oops. And then you can see that the things close. So then when you pull it up, it kind of releases the magnet. It's not super easy, but it does work. And there's that. So let's see. Uh-oh. This dude's out of battery. So yeah, again, this is the Brio Deluxe Railway Set. This is their biggest set. And it is so much fun. It has a lot of like twists and turns. It doesn't come with this electric train, but I love electric trains. It only comes with kid-powered trains. So I just love like watching it go through. Uh-oh.
I gotta fix it. There we go.
Oh, good job.
I fixed it, Mom.
You did a good job.
There we go. Yay.
Is it going to turn or go straight? It's going to go straight. Oh, right through the metro station. And we will end on the tunnel. There you have it.